Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Will you turn on your videos, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you here, Sanaiga, Ismail, Amita, Anthony, Kanishk, Ayan, Ayush.
Join from other device.
Yes?
Ma'am, can I join from other device?
Yeah, of course. Okay, children, we will start class.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, children. So, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, yesterday we discussed about the pictograph. Pictograph.
Ma'am, started pictograph.
Ma'am, did you give any notes on that portion?
Which portion you are telling, children?
And pictograph.
No, I did not give any notes. Now I will give the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I will give. Okay, children. So, what do you mean by a pictograph? Pictograph.
It's a graph represented by a picture.
Pictograph. Yes. Pictograph means we are representing the data through pictures. Okay. So there is a definition for pictograph. A pictograph represents the data through picture of objects. Okay, children.
Yes.
It helps to answer the question on the data at a glance. At a glance. What do you mean by at a glance? Glance means
With a
at
sight.
once, with
a
one look,
second, like
with
suddenly.
one look, suddenly. Okay. So it helps immediately. We will find the answer very soon. Okay. So there is a definition. So we'll start writing the definition onwards. Okay. And we will draw some pictograph. Wait, children, let me tell you one thing. We will draw one or two pictographs. And I will send some pictographs to you. Okay. And answer pictograph is there. And look at the pictograph and find out the answer. Some questions will be given below. Based on that pictograph, some questions will be given below. Okay. And the pictograph and the questions will be long. And the answer is very short. Okay, children.
Yeah.
So it is difficult for me to draw and it will take time. So I will send through the WhatsApp. Those you have to answer the questions. Those
Yeah,
questions. Okay. Okay, children. But
You
drawing
have to
picture
write the answer in the notes.
in the notes, drawing pictograph, it is very easy. It is very easy. One or two questions we can draw in the class. And answering also, it is very easy comparatively drawing, but it is, question is so long. If I give the question in the class, it will take time. So I'll send the questions to you and you answer, look at the question, pictograph and you can answer from that. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So now we will draw the pictographs. Before that, we will write the definition of pictographs. Okay? You have your notes with you, right?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, the last question you gave in tally marks is about the mathematics test, right?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Did I explain the answers to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, which answers?
That mathematics test.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board, children, now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write the heading, pictograph. Can you see the board, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Pictograph. Okay. I will write the definition. A pictograph, a pictograph, pictograph, pictograph represents, pictograph represents data through pictures of objects, pictures of objects, pictures of objects, pictures of objects. It, yes, it helps answer, it helps answer the questions, it helps answer the questions, it helps answer the question on the data, at a glance, at a glance. Yes, Anandu?
Ma'am, I just came now, so
No, nothing. Only this. Start writing.
ma'am, can I show my activity?
1 minute. Last I will give time. See, children, we have one more period, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any disturbance? Can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. I will give one question to you. Shall I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question. A survey was conducted. A survey was conducted on 30 students of class 6. Class 6. Data about the different modes of transport. different modes of transport. Modes of transport used by them is given below. Draw a pictograph. Draw a pictograph to explain the data. So there is a table. Modes of traveling. Number of students. Yes, children? Yes, yes, yes. Shall I move scroll the board up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Private car. Okay, private car. Private car. Private bus. School bus.
Ma'am, only this much?
We have to draw a pictograph based on this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, after writing the question, I will explain how to do.
Ma'am, finished. Ma'am, finished.
Okay, children, now look at here. These all are even numbers. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
4, 6, 10, 2, and 8. So if it is 10, we should draw 10 students' faces, or student faces 10 number in one column, right?
Yes.
So it will be difficult for you. Suppose if it is 4,000, how will you draw 4,000? So what we'll do is we'll take the common factor of all this. It is all even numbers, 2. So one face represents 2 students.
2 students.
So it will be we can make it reduce. the size of the data we can make reduce. Otherwise, we have to draw 10 faces. So if even numbers, if you take even numbers as its common factor, so 2 we can take as one face. So you can reduce the number of faces in this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So always you look at the pictograph tables number and find out the common factor. If suppose if it is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45 like that, how will you
5.
take? 5 you will take. Or if it is 10, 40, 20, 60 like that, which one you will
10.
take? 10.
10.
So look at that table value and you have to arrange accordingly. Okay, children. So shall we start drawing?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will scroll it. Listen, I'll scroll 1 minute. I'll scroll the board and we will start drawing the pictograph. Okay. Okay, children, you tell me the data. Okay. Before drawing the pictograph, you have to write like this. So this is our solution, means our answer. We are writing the answer now. Answer. For that, before starting, you have to write like this. One face. One face.
Represents 2 people. 2 students or 2 people.
Okay, 2 students. One face represents and 2 students. The same size or same face should be there. Okay, children, shall we start drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
So modes of traveling, number of students, modes of
Traveling.
or traveling, number of students. Okay, children, will you tell how many faces I have to draw? First one
Faces.
is
Private car.
how many tables are there, children? How many values are there?
Ma'am, 5.
5. So let me draw 5 columns. Okay, you can also start drawing and you tell me, okay. Let me draw first. I need that data. Data went up. You help me to draw.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, what is the first one?
Private car.
Okay. So let me change the color of the ink. Private car. Is this enough? Private car. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, private car. Next one is
Private bus.
public bus or private bus?
And private bus.
Private bus.
Private bus.
Ayyo. So it is public bus. Okay, public bus. Will you correct it?
Okay, ma'am.
Public bus.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is school bus.
School bus.
School bus. And next
Then
one
cycle.
is
Cycle.
cycle.
Walking.
Walking. Okay, children. So will you tell the data now?
Private car 4.
Private car
4. So 2 faces.
Yes, very good. So 2 faces. Let me draw 2 faces. You also start drawing now. Okay, but tell me the answer. 2 faces. And public bus, how many they are coming?
6.
Ma'am, 6.
6.
So 3 faces.
Ma'am, 3 faces.
3 faces. 6 so 3 faces. Okay. What is
School
next?
bus. School bus.
School bus?
10.
10. So how many faces?
5.
5.
5 faces. Five faces.
Cycle 2.
Cycle 2.
So one face.
So one
Cycle
face.
very less 2. So one face. Next one
Walking
Walking
8.
8.
8. So how many faces?
4.
4 faces. Now you also start drawing, and I will. You have to count it whether if our drawing is correct or not.
Ma'am, can you show the question once more?
1 minute, children. Will you count it? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 into 2 is 30, correct? So 30 students. Private car 2 into 2, 4, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then public bus 3 into 2, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Then school bus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 2, 10. Cycle 2. Walking 4 into 2, 8.
8.
Ma'am, finish.
You finished?
Ma'am,
Will you show me? Let me see.
ma'am,
I will call you. I'll call you. Yes, Francis?
ma'am, can you please? Nihal is in the waiting room.
Yes, I admitted him. Okay. Somebody wants a question, right? This is the question.
Mama Alavika.
Yes. This is the question, children. So it is very easy.
എടി ഞാൻ 2 സാവിയോട് വീഡിയോ ഓണാക്കി എന്നിട്ട് രണ്ടുപേർക്കും എന്നെ കാണാൻ പറ്റുമായിരുന്നു.
Who is that?
Someone has kept their mic mute. Unmuted.
Okay. No problem. So this is the question. And answer. Anyone wants answer?
And the page. And the
Yes.
page. This one. Rotten.
Wait. Written page, right? Yes. Okay, 1 minute. Let everyone draw. I will tell you to show me that. Not for this question. Next question you have to show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, did you write everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. All of you, shall I give the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall I send that picture through? No need. I'll write. Okay, children. Shall I scroll the board and I'll erase the board and I'll give the next question?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me give the next question.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyone is there who wants to see the picture?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll erase it. Who is this Vijin Varghese?
I'm other class student.
Okay, children. So we'll start writing the question. Second question. Okay. Second question. Very bad ink. Let me change the ink.
Ma'am, some colors are not
Yes.
visible on the board.
Okay, this one is okay. Total number. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Total number of animals. Total number of animals. Total number of animals in 5 villages. In 5 villages. 5 villages are as follows. follows. Village A, village A, 80. Village B, village B, 120. Village C, village C, 90. Village D, village D, 40. Village E, village E, 60. Okay. Prepare a pictograph. Prepare a pictograph. Pictograph of these animals. Using symbol okay, one circle and one into in between. Now you're drawing the animals, okay?
Okay.
Pictograph this using this symbol. So it will be very difficult for us to draw the animals. And
Yes.
we don't know which all animals are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Just given only total number of animals. Okay? And to represent 10 animals. Okay, children, it is given in the picture, 10 animals. It is given in the question, 10 animals. One picture, 10 animals. And answer the following questions. Some questions also there. Answer the following questions. Let me scroll this board up. Answer the following question. First one. How many
Ma'am, first we have to draw the pictograph, right?
and answer the question. How many symbols represents animals of village E? Second one, which village has maximum number of animals? Which village has more animals?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Maximum number and more animals.
Maximum number of animals. More animals. Okay.
ma'am, for the third question, you meant more animals in the given villages, right?
Yes. Village A or village C. I did not write. Okay.
Okay.
In this given one. Okay. Village A or village C. Village A or village C. This is the question. And today one more period is there, right?
220.
220. So after this, After this means, do you have any other class?
No, ma'am.
So sit there and draw it. When I come to 220, you have to show me, lift up and show me, okay?
And this question, right?
This question.
Okay, ma'am.
After finishing, you tell me, let me erase the board.
Ma'am, I finished the question.
Okay.
Finished.
Yes. If anyone is, no, I want to erase it.
Ma'am, you told about the activity for showing.
One last period, next period, you show me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Polygons.
Yes.
And the activity
The left out ones, right?
Left out ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, shall I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask everyone. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. How many?
No, ma'am.
Who wants? Francis. Then Vinayak. Okay. Children, this question is there in our textbook. Okay. Exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2. First question.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, next class you said to show the activity, right?
Show the activity. Same time you have to show this question also.
Polygons, right? Polygons.
Polygons. Okay, children. Now shall I wind up the class?
Ma'am, polygons, polygons you told to show last class, right?
Yes,
No, somewhere
but
pending.
some are there to show me.
Ma'am, who all showed polygon can show the Roman numerals, that activity, right?
Wait. Let me see the polygons. After that finish, I will take the next one.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
you have done and kept, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
And do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And children, do you have
Okay,
your
ma'am.
graph papers with you? Graph
Yes,
papers.
ma'am.
I'm
Graph book.
Graph book.
is not. No, ma'am.
If you have the graph book, you keep it aside. Others, no need. You bring it.
And this one, right?
And this book, right?
Graph book. It is there, no? That
Yes,
graph
ma'am.
book you keep with
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you do not have the graph book, for the next class, you bring it. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear children.